Hello everyone, today I'm gonna make a bitter melon soup. Please stay tuned for the show. ជំរាបសួរអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើស្ងោរម្រះញ៉ាំព្រោះថ្ងៃនេះដូចអ្នកឃើញក្នុងរូបថតអញ្ចឹងកន្លែងខ្ញុំនៅវាត្រជាក់វាធ្លាក់ snow ទឹកកកមកធ្លាក់ទឹកកកមក Today as you can see on the video it's a little bit cold because we have snow. Some of the ingredients that you will need I show you the video the front. You need shiitake mushroom. You need clear noodle vermicelli. ត្រូវការផ្សិតshiitake mushroom. ត្រូវការតង្ហ៊ុន And now I have the woody ear and នេះខ្ញុំមានស្លឹកជីកដោយើងត្រាំវាឲ្យវាទន់ទៅ You have to soak it in hot water until it becomes soft. So now you're going to drain the vermicelli after you soften it with water and also with the woody ear and then យើងនឹងតង្ហ៊ុនយើងស្រង់វាទឹកចេញមកហើយនឹងជីកដោ So now you have ground pork. ខ្ញុំមានសាច់ជ្រូកច្រាំ So you're going to put the ground pork with the vermicelli, the woody ear, the green onion. Now យើងដាក់សាច់ជ្រូកច្រាំចូលជាមួយតង្ហ៊ុនជាមួយលឹកជីកដោជាមួយខ្ទឹមលឹកខ្ទឹម And then you're going to put in some spice. Now I put in fish sauce. And you adjust it to your taste. I put 2 tablespoons. Now I put fish sauce. Soy sauce. ខ្ញុំដាក់ទឹកត្រី2ស្លាបព្រាបាយ and then ខ្ញុំដាក់ទឹកស្អ៊ីវ2ស្លាបព្រាបាយ And then ខ្ញុំដាក់ black pepper half a tablespoon. I put in ខ្ញុំដាក់ម្រេច glass of by and then I put about a teaspoon of sugar ខ្ញុំដាក់ស្ករមួយស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ and a tiny bit of salt about half a teaspoon and then ខ្ញុំដាក់អំបិល glass ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ and a little bit of oil so I put it in the tablespoon of olive oil ខ្ញុំដាក់ខ្លាញ់ olive oil មួយស្លាបព្រាបាយ and then ខ្ញុំដាក់ខាងក្រោមហ្នឹងដាក់ garlic រួចហើយ so now you just mix it all in together until it become a very thick that stick together ឥឡូវយើងច្បល់វាចូលគ្នាទៅឲ្យវាសព្វចូលទៅហើយឲ្យវារាង ជាប់គ្នាឲ្យវារាងស្អិតឲ្យវាជាប់គ្នាដើម្បីយើងញ៉ាត់ទៅក្នុងរះទៅកុំឲ្យវាបែក So now when it all becomes sticky all that you're gonna put it into the bitter melon. So the bitter melon, I don't know what happened, I didn't record or something. You take the seed out and then you know wash it thoroughly ម្រះហ្នឹងយើងយកគ្រាប់វាចេញទៅ and then យើងលាងទឹកឲ្យស្អាតទៅចាំយើងយកមកញ៉ាត់នឹងសាច់ Sorry I forgot to mention make sure you put garlic mince it and also the ginger mince it put it within the meat together សូមទោសខ្ញុំភ្លេចប្រាប់ថាយើងត្រូវដាក់ខ្ទឹមសច្រាំវាល្អិតហើយនឹងខ្ញីច្រាំវាល្អិតដាក់ចូលជាមួយសាច់ជ្រូកនឹង So now I boil the water. I put in some shiitake mushroom. After you finish stuffing it, you put it into the boiling water. ឥឡូវយើងញ៉ាត់ម្រះរួចហើយយើងដាក់វាចូលទៅក្នុងទឹកដែលយើងដាំវាពុះនោះដាំទឹកពុះនោះខ្ញុំមានដាក់shiitake mushroom and មើមថៃថាវ So I put in dry shiitake mushroom and radish. So now you let it boil for about 40 minutes, and that's when the bitter melon is tender. ឥឡូវនេះយើងស្ងោរវាទៅឲ្យវាឆ្អិនខ្ញុំ take about 40 minutes ដើម្បីឲ្យម្រះយើងវាទន់ And now it's the finished product. You can serve it. You can eat it alone or you can eat it with rice if you like. ឥឡូវរួចហើយយើងអាចញ៉ាំម្នាក់វា or យើងញ៉ាំជាមួយបាយសូមអរគុណច្រើនដែលបានជួយមើលវីដេអូខ្ញុំ Thank you for watching my video. See you later. Bye bye.